Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi Mi TV 4S and now I'll show you how we can perform the hard reset by using recovery mode and this device. So at first we have to turn off our TV, and the next step we have to remove the cable from the electricity. So let's make it right now. As you can see, I'm holding it right now in my hand, and the next step that we have to make, we have to grab our remote control and we have to click two buttons. We have to click the back button and OK button at the same time for a few seconds. So let's click and hold these two buttons right now. Keep holding and put back the cable to the electricity. Okay, I just cannot reach it like that, so I have to go under the desktop. Okay, and right now you have to keep holding these two buttons on your remote control until we'll get here the recovery mode. And right now you can finally release. So the next, we have to simply go right here for the wipe data factory reset. Select factory reset and go below and click yes. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. As you can see, it's complete. So right now we can tap to reboot system right now. And right now we can wait. Okay, and as you can see, the reset is complete. Right now we can start with the first setup on our TV. So that's how you can perform the hard reset by using the recovery mode on the Xiaomi Mi TV 4S. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.